Welcome back, YouTubers, to the art of shitbox Camaros and Miatas, or really just the shitbox garage. Got kind of a long day ahead of me today. Gonna finish putting in that clutch master and slave cylinder into the Camaro, and then I'm gonna start fabbing up the pedal box for the accelerator pedal. Do some work for Dan. I still got some work to do on my NC. I might prime that at the end of the day. I might prime that midday, not sure. Dan's fender, it's got some fiberglass. We hammered it out the other day. My bumper's ready to get primed. My car's ready to get primed. The spray booth is open. Got a lot going on. It is gonna be a long 2 weeks here. Coffee's hit, but I'm still not completely mentally here. Let's get to work on getting the rest of this pedal setup done in this Camaro, and then we can laugh about how janky it is some more on the inside. Alright, we gotta cut a hole. Brake line got in the way. Didn't even notice it. I don't know what that Spent the last 20 minutes looking for this part box that Dan moved. This is our fancy quick release connect for the T56 transmission. This kit didn't come with it, unlike the last McLeod kit that had a pedal and everything included, so I had to spend another $35 to get one for a 4AM fitting for this bad boy. Fancy new slave and master over here. I have master cylinder set up over here. New slave in the T56. Line and the fitting is right down there. I also ended up getting a quick bleed easy access line. Go connect some pedals and then see where the accelerator pedal is going to fit.
So what do we got? We got some BS. The fuse box is interfered. So as we can see, there's the clutch pedal. But the rod from the master cylinder is rubbing up against this fuse box back here that I can't quite, there we go. We're rubbing. We're rubbing real hard right here. Probably gonna have to relocate this fuse box a bit. Cool. There we go. That one is on. So, now, there we go. No interference. A clutch and a brake, and now to take out that accelerator pedal and make a mount for the electronic one. Lovely, pretty pedal is up. Can I get this pedal over here? Oh, look at that. That's really good. Shove it all the way up here. Put it right next to the... I like the pedal here. The pedal here seems like a good idea. I can angle it just a little and we'll still have clearance for the plug, pedals, and so on. Let's make some templates to help me along with this process here. Got a cardboard box. Nice. So, good. Make it. These are our mounting points. Down. Got a lot of clearance in the column side here, so take that into account. Cut. This was nice.
Cool, we have our mock-up sheet metal that we can dig with now. Shove it in there somewhere, and then make some marking, do some stuff, and figure out if we can get this to fit. Man down, trying to make things fit. We got a pedal and we got some cardboard. Oh. And now we got our basic template figured out. Start eliminating things. This thing out, bend and cut this. Cut, so I can bend this, and this will weld on top of that. We pretty much want to do this. We want some reinforcement. Fold it in on itself like this. One to the side, one to the bottom. We'll create a semi-open box. I might shove a few tabs on here. See what we got. Will this piece be big enough? Oh, gonna have to add an extra piece down here. Probably just take that off of here, weld it onto there, reinforce it. That is why we measured twice. So, thickest metal. I like that right now. It works. It's not like the world's prettiest thing, but let's see. I think we got a good place for the accelerator pedal, and we're gonna put it there. All right, I am not gonna reinforce this thing right now. What I am gonna do is seal it up on the sides here. Feel far for the foot. Alright. Might even say golden. All three pedals are back in the Camaro. The accelerator pedal sitting there good. That sheet metal piece I welded up, it's definitely gonna need some structural support back there. It's too flimsy on its own, so I'll get some bar stock. Has a lot more stability than it does right now. But as of right now, it looks great. All three pedals are within position. I played around with the throttle pedal a bit, and feels like a normal pedal. In all honesty, it feels like it has travel, which is very strange considering how little travel it actually has, but I guess that's the brain to foot type thing going on there. Tomorrow, gas tank. Get that in there, get the fuel lines, and then dropped out the drive shaft this morning. They said 3 to 4 days. I'd throw it back in here and get everything going with this thing. So, that's it. That's the progress for today. This bad boy is gonna run in this car real soon.